Hi, welcome to Blazing Tech. Today we're going to explore photo editing software, which is FX Photo Studio, one of the best photo editing and filtering application for the Mac. It is available in two versions, Standard and Pro. The Pro version open more files and also support a larger image, 64 megapixel. And also it have more editing feature like shadows, highlights, levels, and denoise. Now we're gonna open an image to edit in this application. Click on the load image right here and look for the image of choice we want to edit. So I'm gonna select this image and open it up. As you see, when you open the image, it just loads, and also all the other filters will show the image on the bottom. So we'll go on the top menu, just describe the menu, what it has. At the very top, the very first icon is load image. So you can load image as well as here, and the second one is save. So you can save your image, so just click on it, and it will tell you where to save it. We cancel that out, and the next icon is share. So what is share means, you can share it with your friends and family through Facebook, Twitter, Flickr, messages, email, and Tumblr. The next icons are undo and redo, means if you make a mistake, you can just go undo that, and then you redo whatever you want to do. And the next thing you see is zoom in and zoom out. So what we do is zoom out, and like you see the image gets smaller, and then if you want to zoom in, click on the zoom in. The next one is fit to a screen. The next over is compare images. Compare images, like whatever you apply on the image, you can compare it to the original. For example, we're going to apply a filter to this image, and we want to see what the difference is. So what you click on the compare image, it will show you the original file and the image with a filter on it. So we can go click back on the compare image and undo this feature. We have a quick compare icon right here. Click on it and release it. It shows that the original and the filtered picture. At the other corner, we have three tab icons: the effects, crop, and adjustment. When you click on the effect, you get all the filters in the bottom. So the application comes with 159 filters with different categories. The first tab is effect, and you can apply all these effects anytime you wish. The second one is frame. So you can apply frame to the image. Just, like I'm gonna go through a frame and choose that one, and it applied right in the image. And the next one is preset. Preset, like you make your own image filter and then save it as a preset so you can use it for later. We come back to effects and just kind of show you some other stuff. There is a favorite. So if I like a filter, just click the star mark on it and just turn yellow. It means next time it will be available in the favorite section right here. And also I will show you that you can go one by one through the this control buttons right here. We can change the filters just one by one. We press on it, the next filter will apply to the image. And also we got a shuffler next to it. When you click on the shuffle, a different set of the filter will come up. As you see, each time you press, a different set of the filter will show up, and you can apply any of those filters as you wish. Okay, we're gonna undo the filter, and then next we go to the crop tab. When you go to the crop tab, you got a bunch of control available here, and you will see lines through the image. So what you can do in this screen is you can crop your image. Let's say you got extra edges you don't want to have in the image. You want to get rid of it. What we do is we can change the size of the image right here, or you can go through shuffler right here. You can just tell you different which kind of cropping you want to do. It's different styles and sizes, but we stay with the one we already have, but there is a little bit red on the top. We want to get rid of that, so we resize our image, and once we are happy with the look of the crop, we click apply. So apply will get rid of the extra edges, and we are done with the cropping. Now we go to the adjustment. Alright, we selected adjustment tab. When you go to this tab, we got a bunch of control available to manually manipulate this image. We got temperature, saturation, hue, exposure, brightness, contrast, shadows, highlights, sharpness, red, green, and blue features. Each time we can apply each one separately. For example, we're gonna go change the temperature. You want to do it from cold to warm. So right now we just go make the picture look a little warmer. So we select, we move the bar a little bit toward the warm at 23, and you see the changes applied immediately. Or we reset that back and we change the saturation. As long as we move the scroll bar, you see the changes applied to the image immediately. So far, every control is the same way. You can change hue, exposure, brightness, contrast, shadows, highlights, sharpness of the image, and so forth.